Thermodynamic instability of venture capital has reached its peak in the artificial intelligence sector. To understand the physics of this phenomenon, we must look inside the stochastic machine and examine the full cycle of processing capital into a generative product. Stage 1. Compute overhead. Algorithmic models do not exist in a vacuum. They rent virtual space. In this architecture, fiat funds are directly converted into cloud infrastructure payments. Billions of dollars are burned in the hosting furnace solely to keep the system's basic gears turning. Stage 2. Training data scraping. Since the algorithm is incapable of independent creativity, it requires the aggressive extraction of all existing intellectual property. The legal term fair use here translates to grinding the world's cultural heritage into a homogeneous algorithmic paste. Stage 3. Compute bottleneck. Under bubble conditions, graphics processing units become the ultimate asset class. They are valued above gold, provoking intraspecific aggression among operators. Unfortunately, the lifespan of premium silicon under maximum load is extremely limited. Stage 4. Stochastic synthesis. Processing the data set culminates in the delivery of a predictive output. The production of completely useless digital waste with gross anatomical anomalies is internally classified by the system and operators as a resounding technological breakthrough. Stage 5. Enterprise integration. To justify the burned capital, raw synthetic waste is urgently packaged into a premium subscription. The end consumer, blinded by marketing, voluntarily integrates the defective product into their business processes, completing the cycle of transferring cognitive dissonance. Final stage, the bubble bursts. The system reaches its mathematical limit when humanity runs out of original data to steal. The model collapses. However, the institutional memory of investors is extremely short. Capital simply migrates to the next technological mirage. The cycle repeats.